how to customize the action button on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So this is the action button on the left side of your iPhone up to volume up. So if I press and hold it, it will go to silent mode. And now if I press and hold it, it will go to ring mode. So you can switch with your action button the silent mode or the ring mode, but you can customize it. So simply open your settings and now scroll down and find the action button, which is here, and here swipe to the left and choose which mode you want. Also the no action is here. I will show you, for example, the flashlight. Now go back, and if I press and hold the action button, it will turn on the flashlight. Again, if I press and hold it, it will turn it off. So it's up to you which mode you will set. For me, the best is the sound mode, like on previous iPhones, but there is the button. So that's how you can do it. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.